In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an animated arrow in DaVinci Resolve. It's a really useful skill to add some dynamic elements to your videos, and it's not as hard as it might seem at first. So, let's jump right in. First things first, start by opening DaVinci Resolve and then bringing up an existing project. If you don't have one already, you can quickly create a new project for practice. Once you've got your project open, head over to the Fusion page. You can do this by clicking on the Fusion tab at the bottom of the screen. This is where all the magic happens, allowing us to utilize a wide array of tools to create our animation. Next, ensure that the media in Node 1 is selected. This step is crucial because it sets us up for the tasks that will follow. After confirming it's selected, you'll want to add not one but two paint nodes. You can do this easily by clicking the paint button twice. This setup will give us the flexibility to manipulate and animate our arrow. Now, direct your attention to the first paint node. Aptly name the Paint 1 node. We're going to select it and then head to the tools available above the viewer, where you'll want to locate the Polyline Stroke tool. With this tool in hand, you can start drawing your line. This will be the path of your animated arrow, so take a moment to envision how you'd like it to glide across your screen. Now that your line is in place, it's time to bring it to life with animation. This is where the keyframe options come into play. Animate the drawn line by adjusting the keyframes along your timeline. Keyframes are essentially markers that indicate the start and end of an animation. So by tweaking these, you control how and when your arrow moves. With your first paint node configured, we turn our attention to the Paint 2 node. You will perform similar steps here as well. Select the node, grab your Polyline Stroke tool again, and draw over the previous line or create another line if you're adding more complexity to your animation. Following that, apply keyframes just like before to animate this part of your arrow. Now, let's put it all to the test. Click on the preview feature to play through your animation. Take a moment to watch and ensure that everything is moving smoothly, just as you imagined it. If the arrow animation looks off, you can go back and tweak the keyframes or adjustments in the paint nodes to fine-tune its movement until you're satisfied. And there you have it. You've just created an animated arrow in DaVinci Resolve. Don't hesitate to get creative and experiment with different lines and movements to see what works best for your projects. Thanks for tuning in and happy editing.